Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best glow-in-the-dark iron-on vinyl for Cricut, the SHOYISI Heat Transfer Vinyl. If you're a fan of adding a bit of flair to your DIY projects, this product is perfect for you. Whether you're looking to create custom t-shirts, hats, aprons, or any other fabric-based designs, this vinyl can help your creations glow brightly in the dark, adding that special touch to your designs. The SHOYISI Heat Transfer Vinyl comes in a convenient 9-pack, each sheet measuring 12 inches by 10 inches, giving you plenty of material to work with for all your projects. It's made from premium PU material, which means it's soft, durable, and flexible. You can wash your garments up to 110 times without worrying about peeling or fading, making it a long-lasting option for your DIY projects. One of the standout features of this vinyl is how easy it is to work with. It's compatible with Cricut, Silhouette, and Cameo cutting machines, but it's also beginner-friendly. The pressure-sensitive carrier sheet ensures a smooth and easy weeding experience, even for more intricate designs. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, you'll appreciate how simple this vinyl is to use. When it comes to the actual application, this vinyl requires minimal heat to transfer, which means you can even use a household iron if you don't have a heat press. This makes it incredibly accessible for anyone, even if you're just starting to explore the world of heat transfer vinyl. Plus, it works on a variety of fabric types, including cotton, polyester, and cotton blends, so you can use it for virtually any project. Of course, the most exciting feature of the SHOYISI Heat Transfer Vinyl is its glowing effect. After charging it up with a little light, the vinyl will glow in the dark, making your designs pop at night. Whether you're creating glowing graphics for a party, adding a unique touch to a sports uniform, or simply having fun with your designs, this vinyl brings your ideas to life in a way that regular vinyl just can't. This glow-in-the-dark vinyl is also eco-friendly, with SGS certification ensuring it's safe to wear. It's an ideal choice if you're looking for a product that's not only fun and creative but also safe for both you and the environment. In conclusion, the SHOYISI Heat Transfer Vinyl is a fantastic option for anyone looking to add a little extra glow to their crafts. Whether you're a Cricut user or just want to try something new, this vinyl makes customization easy and fun. So, if you're ready to light up your designs, be sure to check out the SHOYISI Heat Transfer Vinyl. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and product insights. Happy crafting!